Namaste children, Shweta here. Let me start today's class. See, in your previous class, we already started chapter 4, that is Basic Geometrical Ideas. In that, few exercises we already solved. Now let me see what do you mean. Let me continue that only. Let me see what do you mean by circle. See, you know that there are many objects around us, right? In circular in shape, right? You can see a coin, you can see a bangle, you can see a wheel. So many are there around surrounding us. A circle is defined as collection of all points on the plane that are at equal distance from the fixed point. See, if you want to define a circle, means circle is a collection of point. See, if you put like this circle point, after that if you draw a circle, so here so many points you are collecting, right? Circle is a collection of point. Circle is a collection of point on the plane. See, this is a plane, this is one plane on the plane that are equal distance from a given fixed point. See, for example, this is a fixed point. See, from ear to circumference, ear to this point. See, ear to this point, ear to this point, ear to this point, so many points are there upon the circle. So from fixed point to any point on the circle, if you measure, means that will be having equal distance from fixed point to any point on the circle. So it is having fixed distance. So you are defining a circle. A circle is a defined as collection of all points on the plane that are at equal distance from the given fixed point. You are collecting all points and you are drawing a circle from fixed point where you are keeping from fixed point you are drawing a circle. So from fixed point to any point on the circle, it is having equal distance. The fixed point is called as center of the circle. See, this one you call it as center of the circle. And the fixed distance, this fixed distance, see, if you see year to year, year to year, this point, year to this point, year to this point, if you draw a line, so there it will be a radius. A circle divides the plane on which it lies into three parts. See, circle is having three parts. See, what are those? Let me see. Inside of the circle, on the circle means on the circle, and outside of the circle. See, inside of the circle you call it as interior of the circle, interior. Outside of the circle you call it as exterior, outside. Exterior means outside of the circle. The circle and its interior together form a circular region. I already told circumference means the circumference of a circle is actual length around the circle. See, this is a the boundary of the circle. Actual length of the circle is called as circumference. Its length of the edge of the circle traced under center of the circle. Okay. Actual distance, how much is that? That is only called as circumference. What do I mean by radius? Let me define. A line segment joining the center of a circle with any point on its circumference. See, this is a circle from center to any point on the circle. If you draw, so this is only called as radius of the circle. A line segment joining center of the circle with any point on the circumference of the circle. I already told this circle on the circle is known as called as circumference. So from fixed point to any point on the circle, if you draw a line, so that one is called it as radius. And chord, what do you mean by chord? A line that joins two points on the circumference of the circle. I told circumference means this one. So any two points, if you join, so that will become a chord. Any two points if you join on the circumference of the circle. A line that joins two points on the circumference of the circle. See here, any two points on the circumference of the circle, if you draw, so that and all it will become the chord. Okay. Let we see from the figure, identify the center of the circle, the three radii, a diameter, a chord, 2 points in the interior, and a point in the exterior, a sector. Let we see a segment. See in the circle, see you have to write what the center of the circle is. What center of the circle is denoted as O. The center of the circle is O. Three radii. Which are the three radii here? See, the three radius are, see, OC one radii and another one OA and OB. See, OC, OA and OB are three radii. A diameter, which is called as diameter, AB is called as diameter. Diameter means two points, two points that joins through, see, a line that pass through a center. A line that pass through a center is called as diameter. Okay. Now a chord. Which one you call it as chord? See, DE. Chord is D. And a sector is what you call it as sector? AOC. AOC is called as sector. See, this part you call it as sector. Sector means part. See, yeah, in this one you call it as part, no? So sector. D segment. Segment means D. See here. This one you call it as segment. You're cutting that, so it is segment. A point in its interior is, see, interior, what point is that? O. A point in its exterior, which point is that? Exterior is, see, F. F is in exterior. An arc. Arc, you know that, which one you call it as arc means AC, you call it as arc. Say true or false. Two diameter of a circle will necessarily intersect. See, it is true. Two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect. See, if you draw a circle, see, this is one diameter and this is one diameter. See, these two diameters of a circle will necessarily intersect, right? If you draw a two diameter, so it will be intersect each other. The center of a circle is always in its the center of a circle is always in its interior. Yes, so it is also true. Center of a circle always it is in interior of a circle only. Thank you.